Healthcare marketers have an enormous amount of data at their fingertips, nuanced insights on demographics and psychographics, and even strategies on how to increase patient volume. Here are 5 unexpected ways that healthcare marketers can use that kind of data to help streamline operational efficiencies for healthcare organizations. Hi, I'm Eric Morgan, president of Morgan & Company. If you're not familiar with us, we're a media agency based in New Orleans. We help clients and brands understand their audience, use media strategy and analytics to drive more calls, more customers, and ultimately grow revenue. One of the benefits of healthcare marketing is gathering all the data that comes from each campaign. Understanding who the patients are, their lifestyles, their nuances is incredibly powerful. That kind of information helps organizations streamline their operations, ultimately with the customer and the patient in mind. It helps alleviate pain points and understands their desires and needs from a patient's perspective. Understanding what your customers expect based on marketing data that you've acquired through campaigns allows you to manage their expectations much better. It reduces friction, improves relationship, and ultimately prepares them for a better experience as they go through the customer journey. Marketing data provides insight into the best way to operate on paper-thin budgets. With an understanding of customers' expectations, you know exactly where to funnel money to have the greatest impact. Being able to spend marketing dollars and operational dollars in the smartest way possible not only increases profitability, but also leads to other areas to save money. Google search algorithms love helpful websites, and by providing that helpful information, you not only give the customer and the patient a better experience, but you also potentially make them a healthier customer. The customer journey of a healthcare patient is dramatically different than most other categories. There are far more steps along the way, and each customer comes with a unique history and a different set of challenges. Marketing provides seamless touch points along a patient's journey, from the moment they realize they have a need for your service to the moment that they write a review about that healthcare experience. Through insightful, data-driven marketing touchpoints, healthcare providers are able to produce streamlined processes and procedures. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of your marketing data and get more ROI out of your budget, click on the video that's on your screen now. Thanks for stopping by.